Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about differential equations. First, we divide both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of dy you got about y. Now we need to focus on this one. So we need to multiply by sin x on numerator and denominator. Cosecant of x, that is about 1 over sin x. And now sin x multiplied by this one, and we got sin x plus 1. So we need to add about number 1. Later that we need to minus about number 1. So this one divide by this one, so we have number 1. Next, the integration of number 1, that is about x. Now we need to focus on this one. So I need to multiply by 1 minus sin x on numerator and denominator. So this one, that is about 1 minus sin x squared. And this one, that is about cosine x squared. 1 divided by cosine x squared, that is about secant of x squared. So I need to focus on this one, the integration of secant of x squared, that is about tan x. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u, that is about cosine x. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sin x dx. So this one we change for u. Negative sin x dx we change for du. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about cosine x. Now we need to return back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. Now we need to go in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. So we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.